Wildfires in Los Angeles have become more frequent and intense due to climate change, posing significant challenges for firefighters. However, advancements in technology are revolutionizing how we combat these devastating fires. In this video, we'll explore the breakthrough firefighting technologies that were deployed during recent LA wildfires, showcasing how innovation is helping save lives, protect property, and preserve ecosystems. What you'll learn in this video includes an overview of LA wildfires, discussing why wildfires are becoming more severe in Southern California and the impact on communities, wildlife, and the environment. We will also cover cutting-edge firefighting technologies such as drones for mapping fire zones, assessing damage, and identifying hotspots, AI and predictive analytics for forecasting fire behavior and optimizing resource allocation, fire retardant gels and foams that are advanced materials used to slow or stop fire spread, thermal imaging cameras that help firefighters locate survivors and navigate smoke-filled areas, and supertankers and aircraft that drop thousands of gallons of water and retardants from the sky. We will examine how these technologies are making a difference by providing faster response times and improved situational awareness, reducing risks to firefighters on the ground, and minimizing environmental and economic damage. Additionally, we will look at the future of wildfire management, including emerging innovations like autonomous firefighting robots and satellite monitoring systems, as well as the role of community preparedness and early warning systems. By leveraging advanced technologies, firefighters are better equipped than ever to tackle the growing threat of wildfires. Watch to the end to learn how science and innovation are shaping the future of firefighting. Subscribe for more insights on disaster response, cutting-edge tech, and environmental solutions. Share your thoughts in the comments. What breakthrough technology do you think will make the biggest impact?